Love is in the air, so much so, in fact, that lovebirds were planning to spend $23.9 billion on Valentine's Day this year, up from $21.8 billion in 2021. That's a cool $2 billion and change. Extra that reflects the second highest year on record, according to the annual survey by the National Retail Federation and Prosper Insights and Analytics, the world's largest retail trade association. Hi everyone. Today we are talking about 10 ways to splurge on Valentine's without breaking the bank. Valentine's Day is a unique opportunity to express your love and affection for your partner. However, the temptation to purchase gifts and arrange extravagant dates can make it a costly occasion. However, don't let a limited budget sour the occasion. We'll provide some advice on how to enjoy Valentine's Day on a budget. Valentine's Day is a unique opportunity for couples to acknowledge and express their love for one another. The hefty expense of presents and eating out, though, can strain your budget. 1. Make a romantic dinner at home. It can be more enjoyable, private, and affordable to prepare a special meal at home than to go out. You can plan a romantic picnic with homemade snacks or get the components for your favorite dishes at a grocery shop. Candles, soothing music, and a glass of wine can all be used to create a particular ambience. 2. Make DIY presents. Make a personal, homemade, and thoughtful present to express your love. The time and thought that went into a DIY present, whether it's a photo album, scrapbook, handcrafted craft, or a handmade card, can make it even more precious. 3. Arrange a cheap date night. To have fun, you don't need to spend a lot of money. Think about going on a romantic date, watching a movie at home, or playing a board game. 4. Select a sentimental present. Consider offering something sentimental, such as a passionate letter or a treasured memory, rather than an expensive material gift. These presents are far more reasonably priced and demonstrate your love and admiration for one another. 5. Take into account a group celebration. Consider spending Valentine's Day with friends who are also single, or with couples who are also on a tight budget. You can divide the costs by planning a potluck dinner or a game night. 6. Arrange a private stroll or hike. Get some exercise and fresh air while having fun together. Visit a nearby park for a stroll or embark on a beautiful hike. It's a wonderful opportunity to bond with others and enjoy the outdoors. 7. Take a picnic in the park. A traditional and affordable way to spend a special evening is to go picnicking. Take a picnic, a basket filled with your favorite treats, beverages, and a blanket to a park close by so you can relax and take in the beauty with your loved ones. 8. Send romantic letters. Write each other love letters instead of spending money on expensive presents. Describe your emotions, past experiences, and future aspirations. A classic and meaningful way to commemorate your love is to read these letters. 9. Organize a film night. Rent a love story, make some popcorn, and curl up on the sofa. On Valentine's Day, quality time spent together is most important. 10. Repeating your first date is a lot of fun, especially if you've been with your spouse for a while. Find a close substitute if you can't recreate it perfectly to bring back those butterflies. We appreciate you viewing our video. To receive more incredible and educational videos, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy your day.